By now you've obviously heard that the Alabama Senate today passed the Rebuild Alabama Act 28-6, and at 3:30 this afternoon, Governor Kay Ivey had a press conference and signed House Bill 2 into law. The state of Alabama's gasoline tax will be increased by 10 cents per gallon beginning this August. Money will come to Alabama counties no later than December 1st of 2019. Just congratulations to everybody in the county family. On behalf of the board and the staff, I want to say to you, this would not have happened without county government, without you working hard at the local level, making contacts, promoting this issue for the last 2 years. Everybody in county government should be extremely proud of today. I will tell you from Montgomery, counties were in the midst of all of the activities here. An enormous amount of credit have been given to counties by Governor Ivey. She thanked me personally and privately today for the hard work of counties, as well as the Speaker and the President Pro Tem. And again, we are very grateful for the hard work that everyone put in at the local level. But now we really get started on a new set of hard work, twofold. One is implementing the new law that was signed today. We have an enormous amount of work to do, and we will be convening a group of administrators and county engineers to each work on their individual parts of this new law. And secondly, unfortunately, the regular session begins next Tuesday, or actually resumes next Tuesday, and we'll be back at work on a whole new set of challenges. We know you will respond, but for today, March 12th, celebrate a little bit. The Rebuild Alabama Act has been signed into law. Thanks, everyone.